Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMXC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Don't think I've ever done this one before, but had quite a few questions come in today, and rightfully so. Big volume, nice price reaction. So that, kind of combined brings up a very logical question, and that question revolves around the fact that, today was a very nice day. Nobody's going to dispute that. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but good news is by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that price level is right here at 0045. Why is 0045 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0045. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend pulls back, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. So if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So 0045, definitely a very important level of support. Ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 0055, that would be the best case scenario, but by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 0055, that, the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That would just be, like I said, the preferable situation. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next battlegrounds at? Next key level of potential resistance right up there at 0068. And then after 0068, things thin out a little bit. I'm not saying it's going to shoot right up here within 2 seconds, but after 0068, next level up there at about 0086. So interesting way to end the week. Like I said, big price, big volume action. So we'll see if this momentum carries into next week or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.